Oh, hey, just before we start the video, I'm just messaging someone. Let me just get back to them. Wait a sec. So many people, you see them texting like this, and we're all becoming the hunchback of Notre Dame. Let's reverse some of that. Let's do some movements, some Tai Chi for too much screen time. We're here in the beautiful Wudang Mountains of China. So let's move together. Meeting, feet together, hands by the sides. Tai Chi salute, fist with the right hand, palm over with the left. A bow, welcoming you. Breathing in, left hand picks up the left leg. Breathing out into a little shake and a little bounce. Okay, great. So a little shake, just warming ourselves up. And let's get straight into some spinal breathing. Breathing in, opening up. And breathing out, rolling the back. Breathing in, opening up. Breathing out. Now, all of these moves are moving meditations. So just noticing if you're thinking right now. Breathing out. And can you come into your body? Breathing in. Breathing out. Beautiful. Breathing in. Breathing out. Beautiful. Saying hello to the sun. Breathing in. Opening. Breathing in. Generous bend in the knees. Fold and palms to the sky. Breathing out. Breathing in. Raising up. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Opening. Breathing in, fold. Breathing out, palms to the sky. Beautiful. Breathing in, opening. Fold. Breathing out. Last one, breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Beautiful. Wrist rolls and hand rolls. So in this practice, we're going to work on different things. The eyes get tired with too much screen time. The wrists get tired with too much screen time. Changing direction. We become hunched over. So we're going to reverse all of those things while also moving with the breath, resting, changing foot. Changing direction. Beautiful. Pressing out. Pressing out the hands. Beautiful. Some arm swings. Nice. Well done. And playing with this, having some fun. You can be playful beings, shaking out some stuck energy after being on screens for too much. Joy is such a powerful energy that you can just consciously bring in as you move your body with more freedom. Great, well done. Resting. Let's warm up the eyes. Eye circles. So drawing big circles with the eyes. Changing direction. Beautiful. Eyes up and down. Top to bottom. And left to right. Beautiful. Chewing. Just warming up the whole face. Chewing like a goat. Warming up the face. Bringing some blood flow into the face. We can also bring some nice stretches, some face yoga. Master Gu says a Taoist never needs to wear makeup or cosmetics because they have their meridian adjustment. Chewing like a goat. Another 20 seconds doing this. Okay, beautiful. Let's warm that neck up. Nodding the head. Yes. Shaking the head, no. Beautiful. And then let's do some reps. So, technology puts us out here. So let's do some reps, 10 reps, pushing the neck back. Well done. 3 more. Beautiful. A shake and a bounce, a shake and a bounce. Great. Well done. Another nice one. Interlacing the fingers. Reaching back, opening up the chest. Looking up to the sky. Beautiful. And we can bring in a forward fold with this. Generous bend in the knees. Forward fold. And coming up. Well done. A shake, a bounce, a shake and a bounce. Another thing that can make the eyes really tired is that we're looking this distance the whole time. So I invite you to look at your own thumb and keep the focus on your thumb. And then eventually it's going to go blurry. And then when you get blurry, go back a little bit. Then see if you can stay in focus. Because what this is going to do is create a bigger focusing distance for you. Because if you are just at a screen's length the whole time, your eyes only are trained to stay at that distance. If you train your eyes to focus closer, then the focusing on the screen becomes easier. Okay, great. Letting the thumb go, looking at a distance, allowing the eyes to soften. And let's try that a couple more times, bringing the thumb close. I do a lot of laptop work for the team and the YouTube channel, and this is one of the key exercises I've done to help me with eye strain. This exercise alone really, really helped me strengthen my eyes, which actually is something you can do, fascinatingly. Okay, great, looking at a distance. Last one. Bringing the thumb close, keeping the thumb in focus. And softening the eyes. Great, well done. Looking at a distance. Little hand massage. So what you can do here is pull the thumb out. It's a nice thumb stretch. A massage. Pulling back the fingers. Little massage. Other sides, little massage. Pulling back the finger, the thumb. Little massage. Pulling back the fingers. Okay, well done. A shake, a shake, a shake. And let us share 6 balanced breaths together. Let's just really land now with the breath. Qigong standing, spine is long, soft bend in the knees. And let's take 6 balanced breaths together. Breathing in for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing in, softening the face. Breathing in silently through the nose. Breathing out, softening the jaw. Breathing down into the belly. Breathing in, allowing the breath to sink deep down into you. Breathing out. Softening. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Last one, breathing in. Breathing out. Start to find the eyes open. Hands by the sides, breathing in. Feet together, hands by the sides. Tai Chi salute, fist of the right hand, palm over with the left. Well done. Let me know which of those was your favorite practice. And if you want to learn the system behind all of these moves, me and my master here in the Wudang Mountains recorded a completely free course, simple videos to help you feel calmer, clearer, and more balanced. If you go to findbalance.now, you can get the course. I think you'll love it. It will make all the practices you do here make more sense. And if you want to do another practice here is a fun video for you. And I hope you soften your body, enjoy being you, and get some time out in nature off the screen.